further ado, let's open this up, guys. This is the Richest Roots box. Be sure to check out my comment section and description box to order yours today. The value is always so compelling and so awesome, guys. So let's see what the theme of this month's box is, because I always forget to read the theme. I'm always so excited to jump right into it. So what perfect timing, guys, with the solar energy, with the new moon coming up next week, Chinese New Year. This month's theme is prosperity magic. It's so my vibe and what I'm doing for the next new moon. So I'm loving it. Ooh. It looks like they got a sigil in here, guys, to help bring money and prosperity. And when I'm looking at this, I see the number 4. I see like a 4-leaf clover in here. I'm getting good energy from this, guys, that this is going to help bring some money in. I just feel the magic in it. It's so beautiful. This is the little Book of Shadows artwork, guys. It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful plant. It looks like a Loris nobilis. That's one of the names of it. So this is the plant we got for this month. So beautiful. Anyone lucky hand root, success, job, love, lottery. What? Fast luck? Is this like seeds in here, guys? This is so cool. I think this is like seeds of some kind of lucky plant to grow. This is perfect, guys. I hope I have enough sun in the mountains to grow this, but what? Oh, nope, it's just a little piece of that root. So this must be a root that's known specifically well for bringing in all of this abundance and good things. So let's see what this plant is about, guys. Let's learn more. So this is a lucky root. So it's lucky hand root, guys. We are thrilled to be able to include a lucky hand roots or a slap root to this collection. These beautiful and curious roots come from different species of orchids and are a must-have for our personal cabinet of witchery used in many hoodoo and root work rituals. The lucky hand root brings luck to all of our financial endeavors. This is so neat, guys, because if it's from orchids, I have orchids usually around this time in Chinese New Year. I need to be sure to keep the root and use it in magic because what? That is so cool. I'm so happy I have it. And it looks like this bay, I guess it's about a bay leaf. So it's a bay herbal grimoire artwork. We have partnered with a very talented local artist to create an exclusive piece of artwork to honor Bay. Add this beautiful artwork to your Book of Shadows or place on your altar for display. This is so beautiful, and the artist is A.E. Alden. This is so cool, guys. So it's all about bay leaves. And I just love how magical the Book of Shadows artwork is with the different languages of the spelling of bay and everything. It's just so awesome, guys. So when we open this baby up, oh yeah, they're not being cheap. Some of the grocery store that you get, these bay leaves are so tiny, guys. We got a big bunch of bay leaves, and this is perfect because with the new moon coming, you can use like a little mini Sharpie and write down your wishes of what you want to manifest on the leaves and burn it. You can do so much prosperity magic with bay leaves. They're so underestimated, and use it in protection magic too. So, oh my god, guys, what do I want to get into here? There's so many things. I'm so excited. There's a little gold box. So, of course, me being bougie, what's in this little gold box, guys? Let's see. Let's see what's in this baby. No way, not again. This is so cool, guys. It's another triple, like, not triple moon goddess, but like a moon goddess necklace. And this shape is so different. It's in the shape of like my ring that's kind of like an almond shape, like a teardrop shape. This is so pretty, guys. May you have abundance always, and this one is drawing in abundance energy. This is so beautiful, guys. I'm totally going to be rocking this. The other day I had a little photo shoot. I was rocking my other one, and it's in the bathroom on my quartz crystal charging plate. This is so pretty, guys. Another little goddess nyx cupping the moon. This is so pretty. I love her. Oh my god. Getting 3 goddess nyxes so quickly together. That is so cool. I love it. Just love Goddess Nyx. So this is cute because the back of it is saying a word and intention for you to remember. So may you have abundance always. Channeling the energy of the divine, of the ascended masters, wearing it, working with it is very powerful. Love that, guys. And I guess I want to open the little pouch because I'm excited. What's in this cute little pouch? What's in here? What? This is such a good grade of citrine, guys. It's such a cute little tiny piece of citrine, and honestly, I saw my friend have some citrine in her wallet, and I'm like, you know what? I showed you about crystals in the metaphysical world. I don't even got citrine in my wallet. So I need to put this little piece in my wallet to attract money to me, guys. But I just love this. It's such a good grade of citrine. So awesome. And we all know, guys, one of the ultimate money stones is citrine. Self-cleansing crystal. And then you can work with like, oh, I'm not wearing moldavite. It's in my pocket. But I'm wearing it right here too on my necklace. So the moldavite, guys, is such a good stone to attract money to. One of the most ultimate amplifiers. So let's see what they're going to say about the moldavite, or not moldavite, about the citrine crystal. So citrine stone with gold pouch, also known as a success stone. Citrine carries within its energies and the ability to attract wealth and abundance. Place this beautiful stone upon an altar to honor a deity or ancestor, or used to make a mojo bag. This crystal, along with bay leaves and a lucky hand root, can be placed within the golden pouch to create a success sachet. You know what? That sounds like a good idea. I might want to make me a little success sachet to carry around with me while I bring in the energy I want and manifest my wealth and success and all that good stuff, guys. Really vibing with that. So this part's really cool, guys. The ritual body aura sprays are my favorite. I'm in love with them, and I love how it comes with the little spray pump, so you can spray yourself with it. And whenever I use these oils and I put them on me at work, guys, all my coworkers are like, oh my god, what are you wearing? It smells so good. Like, I want some. This one is Money Draw. Oh my god, this is so cool. With the magic I'm going to be doing next week. Oh my gosh. A Money Draw spray. This smells so good, guys. It smells like magical. It's like, when I say it smells good, I mean it's just not like aesthetically smelling, like, oh my god, it's the best smelling thing. When I say it smells good, I mean I smell the magic in it. It smells different. It's got that little like ting to it, like, psh, I'm pushing that button, I'm like winning, I'm gonna call on what I want to come to fruition. Can't wait to work with this when I do in prosperity magic and I do Ganesh mantra and certain ascended master prayers that correspond with the wealth deity like Zambala Buddha. Heck yeah, guys. Ooh, this smells so strong, guys. This incense is super strong. And you know what was funny? I think out of all my boxes I got, this was one of them that I could smell through the packaging. Over this box was another plastic wrap that people can't tell you're getting a witchy subscription box. And oh my god, guys, you can smell it. It smells so clean and yummy. So this little cool incense stick is just great to use for all around your magic, to bring in like peaceful energy, clearing. So this little incense stick is Inner Luck Ritual Incense Stick. We have placed the Inner Luck incense within this collection to foster a positive perception during your meditations and rituals. Know that you're lucky and deserve the thing that you wish and to work to manifest into your life. This is perfect. It has that energy already embedded into it. Can't wait to work with it with my manifestation magic. Thank you, Witch's Moon. So it looks like there's also a little spell candle in here, guys, and that's like, it looks like the last thing. So there's this spell candle wrapped with this beautiful abundance colored tissue paper. So it looks like it's a green candle. What perfect way, guys, for like Embolic coming up with Bridget, with green, Celtic vibes, and just like calling in money is obviously, you know, like green. So this is perfect. This is so perfect, guys. I love this. It's so hard to get the tissue paper off when they tape it. I'm always like making a mess in the carpet. But like the beeswax candle is like such a good grade of like candle. They hand rolled, they add their own essential oil to it with the intention with magic. This is just so like beneficial, guys. Like this is so cool. There's even the money attraction sigil. I'll read to you guys about this too. But all these tools, like honestly, you don't need a lot. And this box is so affordable, guys, to get stuff to do things. And like, oh my god, you're getting so much like stuff for such a compelling value. I'm so excited for the next new moon to create some magic. It's going to be so much fun, guys. So a little bit about this sigil is... we have included a copy of our prosperity sigils from our own book of shadows for you to display or place among your altar. We create this sigil using the energy of Jupiter, as this powerful sign brings abundance and success into view. To receive better results, place the sigil among your altar to work with its energies on a Thursday. We also recommend writing an affirmation on the back of your sigil to instill your intentions and make a deeper connection with its energy. This is perfect, guys, because an investment, I got this big citrine sphere, and this would really be good working with the citrine sphere. And I have some wealth crystals out on my altar because I'm getting ready for the new moon to work with that energy to call in my abundance and success and wealth and working on money and those things. So this is going to be so fun to add to everything. I'm just so in love with everything. Thank you so much, Witch's Roots, for this amazing box. Be sure to get yours, guys, for next month. It's going to be amazing. Each month I'm always so like, what? I get this and that. Like, it's such a treat. It's so fun, guys. Be sure to go ahead and check them out and get all your goods for a compelling value. And you can also smell good while you're doing your magic too. There's so much like fun things. I just love the little cute things. So without further ado, guys, like always, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to do all those things. Thank you so much. And by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated. So mote it be. May your blessings and manifestations come to fruition for the highest good of all, for the upcoming new moon. So mote it be. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. You want to say bye, Maleficent?